My response here is 250,000 new jobs. It's an incredible number. And a 3.1% wage rate year on year. And by the way, participation and employment ratios all went up. The American economy is booming. I think it's the biggest story of the year. My friends on the other side of the aisle said it would be impossible. It's happening. The tax cuts are kicking in. The deregulation's kicking in. We are in terrific shape. Our economy, frankly, is much stronger and in a much better upward trajectory than China's is. And I think that thought is not lost on either of the presidents. So, look, we're in a boom. It's not a sugar high. Today's numbers should have assured people of that. And by the by, let me just put in a little Kudlow editorial. You've heard this before. More people working successfully, earning higher wages for the first time in 20 years is not inflationary. It's a good thing. And the expansion of this economy is coming from the supply side of the economy. The tax cuts and so forth are improving our potential to grow. It looks terrific right now.
You're laying out a case in which the Fed should stay the course then. The Fed should hike in December, and the Fed should stay the course next year, despite what the president has said publicly.
Well, look, I don't want to comment on the Fed per se. The president has raised very important points. He's worried that they may raise rates too quickly and could choke off the economy. I'm reading a story online in the Wall Street Journal, an interview, Greg Ip interviewing Jay Powell. It's an interesting story. Mr. Powell says he doesn't want to pull the trigger rapidly. Okay, and Mr. Powell also said that low unemployment, 3.7%, is not inflationary. Good for him. So I think he and the president have the same goals. We want an expanded, long-term, non-inflationary recovery. So the Fed is independent. The president respects that independence, and we'll see what they do.
But do you agree, though, with the president?
Oh, I think, do I agree? I think
you're the top economic advisor. Theoretically, he listens to your opinion on the economy more than anybody else's, Larry. Do you think that the Fed needs to go slower?
Well, look, by the by, we got a lot of smart people in the administration. It's not just me. I appreciate the thought, but we have a great economics team. Look, I don't want to preach to the Fed. That's not my job. My advice to the president is simply this. We are in a non-inflationary economic boom. I don't want to see anything really change. For example, Scott, I don't want to see a new Congress that might raise taxes and undo the good that we've done, or might start raising regulations and undo the good that we have done, or try to stifle the energy boom that will make America energy dominant. We're growing at 3.5%. That's the fastest trend growth in a very long time. I just want to stay the course on this. A lot of good things have happened. People said it would be impossible. They were wrong. It is happening. Let's just stay the course.